Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from Group 8, want to present our presentation, our text. My name is Fauzan Murapradana and my friend Evi Maharani. And the first present is me. Text 1. Award the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1918. German physics Max Planck is the best remembered as the originator of the quantum theory. His work helped users in a new era in theoretical physics and revolutionized the scientific community's understanding of atomic and subatomic process. Planck introduced an idea that led to the quantum theory, which became the foundation of 20th century physics. In December, Planck worked out an equation that described the distribution of radiation accurately over the range of low to high frequencies. He had developed a theory which depended on a model of matter that seems very strange at the time. The model required the emission of electromagnetic radiation in small chunks or particles. These particles were later called quantums. The energy associated with each quantum is measured by multiplying the frequency of the radiation by a universal constant. Just energy or E equals height the constants. It's known as Planck's constants. It's now recognized as one of the fundamental constants of the world. Next slide. Pertanyaan ini. Okay. The question will say by Evi Maharani. Evi Maharani, can you choose your friends to answer your question? Okay, I want choose one of you guys. And after I choose you, please answer my questions. And I wanna choose Bilkis. Can you hear me, Bilkis? Bilkis, can you hear me? Afiza, can you hear me, Afiza? Afiza, Afiza. Bilkis, Bilkis, can you hear me, Bilkis? Answer my question. Ya, Anissa. Anissa, answer my question. Anissa Fitrizian.
Anissa jawab.
Anissa Fitrizian. Answer my question. Aulia, Aulia, can you hear me? Nico, Nico. Nico,
Apa?
can you answer my question of text 1? I will give you a question, okay? The question is, wait.
Wait for what?
According the text 1, Nico, listen it.
Yeah.
In which of the following fields did Max Planck not make a significant contribution? Is A, optics, B, thermodynamics, C, statistical mechanics, D, biology. Choose the best answer.
Yang text 1.
Yes, text 1.
B.
What? I will give you the question in chat.
D.
Please check, Nico. Check the direct message. If you have read the question, please choose your best answer. Have you checked my message? You can read the text 1 before answer the question.
Hey.
Nico, have you know the answer?
Yes.
What the answer?
D.
D. D. Are you sure? That's right. D. Biology.
No.
Okay. We are going to text 2. For Emilia, can you change the slide to number 2? To text 2. Okay, Nico, thank you for your answer. Can you mute your voice? Emilia, change the slide to text 2. Okay, the next text. The railroad was not the first institution to impose regularity in society or to draw attention to the importance of precise timekeeping. For as long as persons have set out their wares at daybreak and communal festivities have been celebrated, people have been in rough agreement with their neighbors as to the time of day. The value of this tradition is today more apparent than ever. Were it not for public acceptance of a single yardstick of time, social life would be unbearably chaotic. The massive daily transfer of goods, service, and information would proceed in fits and starts. The very fabric of modern society would begin to unravel. Okay, I will choose one person again for answer my question. Okay, Lucky, can you hear me, Lucky?
Anjing.
Nice, good. Okay, I will give you question from text 2. Wait a minute. Okay. What is the main subject of the passage? A. Bike paths. B. Solar panels. C. Solar roads. D. Chinese interstate systems. Choose the best answer.
Can you repeat that again?
Okay. What is the main subject of the passage? A. Bike paths. B. Solar panels. C. Solar roads. D. Chinese interstate systems. The main subject. Main subject.
Text 2.
Yes, text 2.
C.
Okay. C, are you sure?
I'm sure about that.
Nice, dude. That's a correct answer. The answer is solar roads. Okay, Imalia. Oh yeah, before that, thank you for Lucky Asela Putra for responding my question. Okay.
Okay. You're welcome, Holmes.
Yeah, you can mute your mic. Imalia, can you change the slide to text 3? Right. The text tree will be read by Evi Maharani. For Evi Maharani, time is yours.
Okay. Text tree. Solar is popping up just about everywhere, even landfills and Varka pockets. So why not roots? The Netherlands built the first solar route, a bike path in 2014. France announced a bolder move in January over the next five years. It plans to install 1,000 kilometers of solar routes designed to supply power to 5 million people. That's not all. Idaho Bisset Solar Roadway has received 3 rounds of U.S. government funding with an additional $2 million in venture capital to test in technology. The tempered glass panels offer asphalt-like traction, support the weight of semi-trucks, include LED for signets, and contains heating elements to melt snow and ice, called solar panels, really pave the routes of the future. Proponents see endless possibilities, but others question about cost, efficiency, and durability. Okay, guys, I choose you about the question. The question is so easy, right? For Juliana, are you hear me?
Yes, Evi.
Okay, Juliana. Question is so easy. Okay, what is the main subject of the section? Session. A, bike path. B, solar panels. C, solar routes. D, interstate system of China. And the answer?
C.
What?
Repeat.
C.
Are you sure, Yuli?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Because from the beginning of the paragraph to the end, the discussion that is always in focus is about solar panels. Okay, thank you, Yuli.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you for your attention for our group 8 to presenting our text. I think enough. Okay. So you guys have a question for our present or enough? You guys can chat in inbox, okay? If you haven't a question, okay? I will close the presentation, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
All right. One chat. Enough. Okay. I think enough for our presentation. I am Fauzan Murapradana and my friends Evi Marani want to close this presentation. Regards us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I'm Imalius Kileli from Group 9. Our presentation about TOEFL and IELTS reading passage. So, the passage 1. There are no prescribed hours of attendance of office managers. The main office hours comprise a 37 half hours week, work from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Monday to Friday, with 1 hour for lunch. All sections work a flexi-time scheme of attendance which features core hour from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. with a lunch break of between 30 minutes and 2 hours duration, with the opportunity to work from 7:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily, at which time the premises are locked. Office managers do not qualify for overtime rates for any additional hours worked, but time off may be taken for any hours required to be worked at weekends. In one calendar year, a total of 5 weeks holiday may be taken, are reminded that they may not take more than 2 consecutive weeks of holiday. So I'll choose of you guys to answer my question. Laila Puspita Anggraini, do you hear me?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. I'll give you the question. The question about statement agree with the information given in the passage 1. And the answer option about true, false, and not given. And the question is, it is possible to have a 2-week holiday in summer and a 2-week holiday in winter. True, false, or not given?
Please repeat.
Okay. The question is it possible to have a 2-week holiday in summer and a 2-week holiday in winter?
True.
Sorry? True?
True.
Okay. That's correct. Okay. Because time limit. Next, passage 2. A new atomic clock being developed for navigation satellite will perform better than previous devices. The clock will use a new microwave cavity design to provide a compact and lightweight package and new electric techniques to maintain long-term stability that the clock can provide precise navigation information because it is stable to 1 second in 3 million years. The differences in the time when signal from 4 satellites arrive at one location can be used to calculate the position to within a few yards. I'll choose Mega.
Yes, Ima.
Okay. The question is, what is the primary purpose of the passage? A. To teach a lesson. B. To sell a product. C. To support a theory. D. To provide information.
Can you repeat again?
Okay, I'll repeat. What is the primary purpose of the passage? A. To teach a lesson. B. To sell a product. C. To support a theory. Or D. To provide information.
Maybe D. Ma, can you hear me? Maybe
Yeah.
the answer D.
Can you speak louder?
Maybe the answer is D.
Are you sure the answer is D?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, that's correct. Okay, next. Passage 3. Oh my God. So small. Passage 3. I have a dream is a public speech delivered by American civil rights activist Martin Luther King Jr. during the March on Washington for Jobs and Freedom on August 28, 1963, in which he calls for an end to racism in the United States and called for civil and economic rights. Delivered to over 250,000 civil rights supporters from the steps of the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. The speech was a defining moment of the civil rights movement. Beginning with a reference to the Emancipation Proclamation, which freed millions of slaves in 1863, King observed that 100 years later, the Negro still is not free. Toward the end of the speech, King departed from his prepared text for a partly improvised peroration on the theme, I Have a Dream. Prompted by Mahalia Jackson cry, tell them about the dream, Martin. In this part of the speech, which most excited with listener and has now become its most famous. King described his dream of freedom and equality arising from a land of slavery and hardship. John Meacham writes that with a single phrase, Martin Luther King Jr. joined Jefferson and Lincoln in the rank of men who shaped modern America. The speech was ranked to the top American speech of the 20th century in 1999. Poll of Scholar of Public Address. Okay. I'll choose NJ. Anissa Nurjana, can you hear me? Okay. Ayu Aulia. Okay. Nova Anissa, can you hear me? Nova Anissa. Okay. Nosa Patrick.
Yes.
Okay.
Good question.
The question is, what issue does Martin Luther King's speech address? A. Continuation of racism. B. End to racism and civil and economic right. C. Civil right. And D. Civil war.
A.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Are you sure? A.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
False. The answer correct is B. The answer correct is B.
Okay.
Okay. I think enough, guys, because time is limit. Less than 1 minute. I'll close my presentation. Thank you for your attention. I'm sorry if I have if I make a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.